life is full of uncompleted, you know, uncompleted things. There's no completion on everything. You went to school and you never studied, you never finished that course. You graduated, up to now, no degree, no work, no job. Somebody say fire. You told your family you went abroad, but it's as if you have never been anywhere. Wherever you went, even yourself you hate there. Why? The enemy said go, but when you reach there, don't go far. You call
the people you left in Uganda. They are about to kill me in Uganda. Pray for me. They are beating us every day. I am dying. Send me a ticket to come. I want to return.
Why? There is a spirit that said go, but never go far. Today is a day to go far.